So today's my last day in Korčula. I'm about to head out and walk into town so I can get on the ferry that'll take me to Dubrovnik. Yeah, I've been here for a month and it's been fun, but I'm ready to move on. Yeah, so let's go. finally made it to the flat. It was a little confusing getting here, and I'll just show you what the flat looks like. It's not as fancy as the Korčula place, but it's good enough. Beds, good internet so far. This little kitchen area is cool. Not gonna use that. A little bathroom. So I think what I'm gonna do is just get myself situated, and I might go out and explore a little more since it is Saturday, and I'm leaving here Wednesday, so I'm gonna make the most of the few days I have here. So I swung by the shop to pick up some groceries, so I wanted to show you what I bought. Let's see. Got some bananas, apples, and a bunch of mandarins. They look so good. Oh, and some corn pasta. I just eat that plain now, just a way to get extra calories. But I'm most excited about these. So that's me for today. I'm pretty tired after waking up early, so I'm just gonna eat something, relax, work on a video, and get some rest. I have 3 more days left here. I head to Dublin Wednesday afternoon, so I'm going to be walking around all weekend, taking photos and filming, trying to make the most of my weekend. And thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I post new videos daily Monday through Friday, and I don't want you to miss any of them. Thanks.